1970s unknown cast iron motor 52-inch G vent ceiling fan. I got this when I was on my fan trip when I went to the Fanimation Museum, and here it is in action. There it is on the lowest setting. So anyways, I got this fan from a collector while I was in Indianapolis when I was, with the new one and stuff like that. You can probably find videos of that on YouTube. Along with this, I got a Moss Heirloom and a SMC Emperor. So anyway, okay, now let's turn it up just a little. Let's turn up just a bit. You want help with the speeds, George?
Yeah. I'm just here to help Reese with some technical stuff. And turn it up. Which one?
That one.
I have to be really careful so I don't get my hand.
Hangs a little low.
Yeah. It looks like it's gonna give Reese a haircut soon.
Nah.
When he grows a little taller, it's gonna give him a haircut.
Maybe. But anyways, this is in the condition it was when I got it. I haven't used it since. This is a light I want to put on it. I had this on here just for looks. I decided to take it off of the video.
Yeah, because he just put that on there, and he might be thinking about putting this on.
I might use this globe on there.
It probably would look pretty cool and stuff like that.
Alright, now we're going to turn it up just a little bit. Whoa, it's already at high speed.
It's seriously going to give you a haircut, Bruce.
This is one of the fans that I'm going to put in the restaurant soon. I have the Moss. And Dan Newman.
That's high speed.
He has a...
What's high speed?
I think so, yeah.
Here.
I think it's speed now. Anyways. So,
actually in Reese's basement.
And Dan Newman has a fan that I could use for the Fasco Boca Raton. It's polished brass. It looks similar to these.
Did you already show that in the video?
I love this fan.
Did you show this? Yeah.
But anyways, got her.
Just having a conversation that nobody needs to know about.
It's fan related.
Yes.
But I plan on making videos of more ceiling fans. I just gotta.
And it stinks down here.
Anyways, so now let's go to.
This place needs to be shielded.
Now that's full speed right there.
And I'm only going to be in probably 2 videos, including this. So you won't be seeing me in these videos.
Yeah, he's just here.
Yeah, I'm just here to help because I'm his neighbor and I slept over last night.
Anyways, so this fan wobbles a little bit. That's a little off balance. And you're probably wondering if it's hooked up. It's just I wired my plug into it. I have a plug that I can use to wire up I use it to wire up the ceiling fans that I want to use. I have a swag chain kit, so I have 2 cords, maybe 3, but that's for another time. And let's just watch it spin down because people like watching it spin down. Take it down just a little bit.
Okay, let's turn it back
No.
I'm turning it down. So it's not on high speed right now.
Yeah, you're right. Apparently. Now let's wait for it to. Okay, like that, and perfect. Nice. and stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video.